morning, children. This is your Naveen sir, maths teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Yesterday we discussed about the geometry topic, lines and angles. The topic name is lines and angles. So in lines and angles, yesterday we discussed the point, line segment, ray, definition of angle and different types of angles we discussed yesterday. So today we are going to discussing about the different types of lines. Different types of lines. First one, intersecting line. Intersecting lines. So if two lines have common point, then the two lines are called as the intersecting lines. So this is a diagram of intersecting lines. This is one line that is named line L, and this is another line. The name of the line is M. So these two lines L and M, have a common point, then these two lines are called as the intersecting lines. Which lines have a common point, then the lines are called as the intersecting lines. Next, here look at these lines. This is one line and this is another line. So here the two lines like this, the two lines are intersecting like this. See, the two lines, this is one line and this is another line. The two lines have a common point. The two lines, this line and this line, have a common point. Then these two lines are called as the intersecting lines. Next, second one, parallel lines. If two lines do not have intersect, if two lines do not have any intersecting point, then the two lines are said to be parallel lines. Look at here, these two lines. So this line name is L, this line name is M. If two lines do not have any intersecting point, then these two lines are said to be parallel lines. So here the parallel lines denoted by this symbol, parallel lines are denoted by the symbol is like this. The parallel line is denoted by this symbol. We read as we write. First we write as it L parallel to M. Like this we will write L parallel to M, and we read as L is parallel to M. So we write as a L parallel to M. We read as a L is parallel to Next, look at here. These two lines. Already you know, this is one line and this is another line. So here, see, look at here, these two lines. Have they have any common point? Are they intersecting at any point? No. Like this. If you rotate like this, or if you rotate like this, they will intersect at any point? No. So such type of lines are called parallel lines. In our daily life, best example is train tracks. And here also, look at this board. Look at this board. Opposite edges of a board are also called parallel lines. So next, third one, perpendicular lines. Third one is perpendicular lines. If the two lines are meet at only right angles, the two lines are meet at only right angles, then the two lines are called as a perpendicular lines. So the diagram of perpendicular lines like this. This is line L and this is another line M. So look at here, children. So the two lines have intersecting point, but they will intersect at right angles. If they intersect at right angles, then the two lines are called as a perpendicular lines. So here we read. First we write as it L. Perpendicular symbol is like this. Reverse of T. Perpendicular symbol is like this. L perpendicular to M, and we read as L is perpendicular. L is perpendicular to M. L is perpendicular to M. So the perpendicular symbol is like this. That is a reverse of T. So we will write as a T like this. So the perpendicular symbol is like this. This is the symbol of perpendicular. Why? Because see, look at here. Here the right angle is how much? 90 degrees. Nothing but right angle. Then we write it as a L perpendicular M by using symbol, and we read as L is perpendicular to M. Now look at here. Again using these two lines. This is one line and this is another line. So these two lines like this. Are they intersecting? Yes. Where? Which like this also? Same. Like this also same. See, like this also same. In all directions it is same. At what? At right angle. See the right angles. All angles are right angles or not? Yes. Then these two lines are said to be perpendicular lines. So one more time I am explaining about the perpendicular lines. If two lines intersect each other at right angles, then these two lines are called as a perpendicular lines. Now we will discuss the problems based on the different types of lines. So first problem: which of the following are models for parallel and perpendicular lines? Which? Neither of them. So we have to identify the models for parallel lines and perpendicular lines, and which are not. Neither of them means those are not. Next, see in this first problem, the vertical window bars. Vertical nothing but like this. So here this is the window. So all of you know about the window. So like this. So it is a window, like example. So vertical nothing but like this. These are vertical bars of window. So which type of lines these are? Which type of lines are? So easily we can identify parallel lines. So vertical window bars are parallel lines. Next, second one, railway lines, nothing but tracks. So railway lines, nothing but, see, look at the picture of this. So like this. So these are the tracks, the railway lines. So which type represent as the lines? So which type of lines they are? They are also parallel lines. So these are also which type of lines? Parallel lines. Next, third, the adjacent edges of door. So the adjacent edges of door. So daily we will observe the doors. So like this. For example, this is a door. So adjacent edges. Adjacent nothing but side beside. So this adjacent edges of a door. Then which type of lines? So it is they are meeting at right angle. Then these two adjacent edges of a door are called perpendicular lines. Which type of lines? Perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. Next, fourth one, the letter V in English alphabet. So you can observe this letter V. So this letter, observe the letter V. So first of all, this is a line. The letter V has a line? No, it consists line segments. See, look at here. It consists line segments. And do you have any idea by seeing this letter V? Are they parallel? No. Why? Because they have intersecting each other. So now, next, are they perpendicular? No. Why? Because they are not intersecting at right angles. Then what are them? So it is neither of them. What is this? This is neither of them. This is neither of them. Nothing but the letter V is not a parallel and not a perpendicular line. So next, fifth one, the opposite edges of a blackboard. So look at here. This is the opposite edge. This is top and bottom edges. You can observe. So which type of lines these are? Parallel, and this edge and that edge same, that also parallel lines. So the opposite edges of a blackboard, nothing but parallel lines. So these are also parallel lines. So one more time. First one is the vertical window bars. These vertical window bars represent parallel lines. And second one, railway lines, nothing but tracks. So tracks are in this shape. So both are every time they are parallel to each other. Next, third one, the adjacent edges of a door. So edges, the adjacent edges of a door, are they perpendicular to each other? Yes, they will meet at right angles. Then the adjacent edges are perpendicular lines. Next, the letter V. So the letter V, it does not have a parallel. We does not say as a parallel or perpendicular line. Then we will write as a neither of them. Next, the opposite edges of blackboard. So we can, in the video we can say, see these opposite edges. These two opposite edges are, we can represent as a simply. Now second problem. ABCD is a rectangle. AC and BD are diagonals. So here look at here children. ABCD is a rectangle and AC BD are pair of diagonals. So we should write the pairs of parallel lines, perpendicular lines and intersecting lines. So in this rectangle we have to identify the parallel lines and perpendicular lines and as well as intersecting lines. So first parallel lines. So pair of parallel lines. So look at here. This in rectangle opposite sides are equal or parallel to each other. See, look at here. What are that pair? AB is equals to DC. So here first pair is AB is parallel to DC. First pair is what? AB is parallel to DC. So that is a horizontal. Next vertical, like this vertical, remaining two opposite sides. So that also this like this. These two are also parallel. So that is what AD is parallel to BC. Another pair is what? Second pair is what? AD. AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. So these are the pairs of parallel lines. Two pairs of parallel lines are there. One pair is AB is parallel to DC and second one is AD is parallel to BC. Next, perpendicular lines. Next, perpendicular lines. See, look at here. Perpendicular lines, nothing but the two lines should be intersected at only right angles. See, look at here. This adjacent sides of rectangle. This side and this side. So DA is perpendicular to AB. So first one is what? DA is perpendicular to AB. Next, these two adjacent sides. AB is perpendicular to BC. Same right angle. So second one is what? AB is perpendicular to BC. Next, this BC is perpendicular to CD. This BC is perpendicular to CD. Third one, BC is perpendicular to CD. Next, this CD is perpendicular to DA. So fourth one is CD is perpendicular to DA. So how many pairs are there? Totally 4 pairs are there. That is first pair is what? DA is perpendicular to AB and next AB is perpendicular to BC. Next BC is perpendicular to CD. Next CD is perpendicular to DA. These are the 4 perpendicular lines. Next third one, intersecting lines. Intersecting lines nothing but the two lines have a common point. So look at here. These two have any common point? No. These two have any common point? No. So where you observe the common point? Yes. Where? At the diagonals. At the diagonals of rectangle, we have a common point. See, look at here. This is a common point. Both lines. Then the pair of intersecting lines are what? Only one pair is there. They are AC and another diagonal BD. So AC and BD are only one pair of intersecting lines. This is a worksheet, children. First problem, define perpendicular lines, and second one, give some examples for parallel and perpendicular lines. Next, third one, if L is perpendicular to M, then can we say that M is also perpendicular to L? So next, fourth one, how many perpendicular lines can we draw to a given line? So these are the homework problems for you. Thank you, children.